Now, convicted racist Vicki Momberg's appeal against her conviction and sentence has been dismissed in the High Court in Johannesburg. Momberg was convicted on 4 counts of criminal injury in the Randburg's Magistrates Court last year. She apparently used the K word 48 times against police officers and the police call center operators after a smash and grab incident back in 2016. She was sentenced to an effective 2 years in prison, and she appealed both the conviction and sentence. Let's get the latest now. Hasina Gori joins us now live. Hasina, break it down for us. What's the latest?
Good morning. Yes, so when we spoke earlier this morning, it was just before court started. It was very quick, very short judgment. The judge was very clear and concise, just saying dismissed. And one of the reasons that he gave was that he didn't see any reasoning to deviate from the current sentencing. As you said, it was 2 years effective in prison. But to speak more and to break down what exactly the conviction means and what it means for Vicki Momberg is with me the NPA's Apindi. Good morning, and thank you for speaking to us. Can you tell us, Vicki Momberg has lost her appeal today here at the South Gauteng High Court. She was appealing both that sentence and conviction, saying she's not a racist, and those remarks came from the trauma that she had gone through at that specific time. But what was the reasoning of the judge this morning to dismiss her appeal?
Okay, firstly, as the NPA, we welcome the court's decision to dismiss Ms. Vicki Momberg's appeal against both conviction and sentence. The court ruled that there were in fact no justifiable reasons for this court to deviate from or to interfere with the sentence imposed by the trial court. And as the NPA, we welcome this news because before court we have an accused person a convicted person who has not yet accepted responsibility for her actions. She has shown no remorse, and she is well within her rights to now approach the Supreme Court of Appeal. But the normal procedure, as the court has also mentioned it, is that she'll have 30 days within which to lodge her application for leave to appeal with the High Court of Johannesburg. And once that is granted, she can then her matter can then be heard by the Supreme Court of Appeal. But most importantly, failure to lodge her appeal within these 30 days. Once the 30 days lapse, she'll then have 48 hours within which to hand herself over to the Randburg Magistrate Court to start serving her sentence.
Mm-hmm. That was the NPA's Apindi speaking to us, just breaking down what exactly the judge said today. Again, he's dismissed her appeal of both the conviction and sentencing, and now Vicki Momberg has 30 days to apply for a leave to appeal, and if that's not done within that 30 days period, and if that lapses, she has 48 hours then to hand herself over to the Randburg Magistrates Court and then start her sentencing, which will be 2 years effective in jail.
Let's watch Momberg's appeal against conviction dismissed. Thank you very much indeed, Hasina, for your reporting. We're going to take a quick break. I'll get you some sports news next.